Hello, dear students. In continuation with the previous sessions of the Unit 3 of ICT skills, today we are going to session 3, that is care and maintenance of computer system. Right? So here in this we will be learning about that how we computer system, because it is a very important electronic device and it needs maintenance, of course. Like other devices, it also needs some maintenance. Fine. And we have to take care of the hardware also, like cleaning and all, managing so that they are not disrupted, and software parts also, so that it is not affected by the viruses or malwares. Right. Then when we are going to have the maintenance activity, we have to take care of both the internal and external parts of the computer system. We have to keep it from away from dust. Nothing should be spilled on, and hands should be clean while using. CDs and DVDs should be handled carefully so that they don't have any scratches. Fine. And they should be covered when they are not in use. These are the general things that we follow. Fine. And cleaning the computer components, that how we are going to clean them. Fine. That all these things are very general, you must be doing them. Fine. To maintain your very important device. Fine. Don't spray anything. Fine. And all, how to clean. Okay, so these are the simple steps that are given, that are need to not to be told, that you know already. Fine. That how, and we obviously switch off the computer while cleaning a component on the computer, and it should not be like that the computer is also working and you are just cleaning all the things. It may be risky also. Then monitor. Fine, you know that monitor is a very important output device which is going to give you output in the form of graphics and all. Fine. And the monitor that we are going to see the thing portion, that is called as screen. Fine. And while cleaning the monitor screen, we have to take care that nothing should be directly. Fine. Spray cleaning liquid on a soft lint free cloth. Fine. So the cloth should be soft. Fine. Keyboard has to be very, means handled very carefully, because there are different keys and there are spaces between the keys, so how we have to take care of them. Fine. That should be cleaned also. Similarly for the mouse also. And then how we are going to clean and all. So these are the general practices. These kind of CDs, DVDs should be handled carefully. We don't have to touch the surface. Fine. And we have to prevent it from getting scratches and other thing. Fine. Similarly for the camera and all, we have to take care of the lenses. We have to clean it with proper soft dry cloth. Okay, so these are the general practices. Now coming to the next one, preparing maintenance schedule. Fine. Now as it is having so many applications, so many things are there, so we have to maintain our system also. So what are the steps for regular maintenance? The first one, we need to have a regular scan for the viruses. Fine. So that our files are not affected, our system is going smoothly. We have to take care of all these things. So whatever the viruses we are having, sorry, antiviruses we are having, that should regularly scan your system whenever some device is plugged in or some file it's taken. Fine. So full disk scan also should be there. Fine. So that in case any virus has entered, so after that full scan, it can be detected and removed. Fine. Disk cleanup should be there. Fine. This cleanup tools is a tool which is going to help you free up space on your hard drive to improve. Like we are going to download so many files and all, तो बहुत सारा temporary data create हो जाता है, तो उस temporary data को it needs to be cleaned up. Right? So this tool helps us disk cleanup. Fine. Once you have removed the temporary and unnecessary files from your computer, you can use the disk defragmenter to increase the overall performance. ठीक है, तो disk cleanup feature use करने के बाद we can go for disk defragmenter. Fine. So that our system's performance can be increased. Fine. So these are the things. Then regular backup should also be taken. Whatever the data you are having on your computer that needs to be used further. Fine. That can be backup. Fine. That can be taken in some other device also, so that in case of any of the we can say any of the disturbance in the system, any of the viruses effect and all, आपके data को कुछ loss ना हो. Fine. Then system and software updates, whatever the software you are having or जो भी आपका है, that should be updated also. Fine. Like antivirus should also be updated at regular intervals. Temporary files should be removed. Fine. So that the system can run smoothly. Otherwise फिर वो heavy हो जाता है and it takes time for the normal conduction. Now the next topic is computer viruses. Computer viruses are actually very small software programs which are generally spread from one computer to another. Fine. And basically these are going to corrupt or delete the important data of your computer. ठीक है, तो उसे आप वायरस बोलते हैं. And generally हाँ, computer viruses are all man-made. Obviously they are not the biological viruses. fine, and they are going to replicate to other computers. Replicate means creating the copies, repeat hona, double ho jana, fine, and these are going to affect the normal functioning of the computer. Fine. Now how does it spread? It is going to spread with the help of different attachments or different messages, different files that are shared either directly or with the help of pen drives or emails or messages and all. Okay, through it is going to spread up. What is the harm that is caused by virus? Fine, it is actually going to quickly use all the available memory. Fine, the system can halt, system may not run smoothly, the files may get corrupted, you may not start any particular application on which that virus is mounted on. Okay, so these are the different harms that are caused by virus, and how you can detect that the virus is there. Fine, so for that obviously you can see that, observe that the performance of the system is getting affected. Fine, maybe again and again restart is done for the system. We are not able to access some of the files or drives. There are so many extra files. So these are the general steps and general signs that indicate that we are having a virus on our system. Shortcuts are there, shortcut icons have been changed, or it is not responding, or it is taking too much time to respond. These are the general symptoms. So how we can protect? First is what is virus, how it gets into the system, how we can identify that system has got virus, then how we can protect our system from these type of attacks. Right, so to protect the system from these type of attacks, what we can do, we first of all we have to take care that not everyone is going to access to our system, and we should be having a proper antivirus software, and that too should be updated at regular times. Fine, and no need to open unnecessary attachments and all from unknown persons. Software should be updated, whatever the browsers are there, updated latest versions for them. Okay, then you have to use the different softwares, like firewall should be there, pop-up blocker होना चाहिए कि ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी चीज़ pop-up हो रही है आपके browser पे, you are going to access it, because they are the most prominent source of viruses. Fine, then how to scan and clean virus? Obviously through the antivirus software. Fine, antivirus, which is against virus, this is going to detect the viruses, prevent them, identify and remove also, delete bhi karta hai. So there are certain popular antiviruses given, like Avast is there, McAfee is there, Avira. So many are there. You may be having a good knowledge about them and must be having some or the other antivirus at your system also. Okay. So these whenever see, these antiviruses are going to act like whenever we are going to start a computer, automatically these are going to means check. Fine, they are going to run in the background of the computer and checking every file you open. Or otherwise most antivirus ask you to set up schedule full system scan. अगर आपको पूरे सिस्टम का स्कैन करना है तो यू कैन आइदर schedule it or you can just run it directly from the antivirus application. How to use it? Fine, you can go to all programs. For example, here has been taken Microsoft Security Essentials, this antivirus they are talking about. Fine, so we are having the options either quick scan or a full scan. Quick scan is looks for the viruses in all the places they are most likely to hide. ठीक है, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा चांसेस है, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा फाइल ट्रांसफ़र की गई हैं या एक्सेस की गई हैं. Fine, while the full scan looks for everywhere for the possible problems. Fine, then you can click on scan now button, and then scanning process will run, and it will show you that what are the files which are infected. Fine, it will show you the history. You can update your antiviruses. Fine, so this way it can be done. Fine, now the last session is about removing temporary files. Fine, so whenever when we are going to access something from the internet, obviously every time some files are created which are temporary, they are deleted automatically after the use of that application. Fine, but it happens sometime that if they are not deleted from our side, they keep storing over there. So this way they are going to slow down the performance. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए what we have to do, we have to click the computer icon, then we have to go for the properties menu, and you can see that. Fine, and then after that you will find the disk cleanup option like this here. Fine, so when you will click it, the temporary internet files and cookies whatever are there due to the access of internet and all, वो सारी delete हो जाएंगी. Fine, then you have to click on delete files. Temporary folder से अगर आपको delete करना है तो you have to press Windows R key on the keyboard, then you will get the run dialog box. ठीक है, इस तरीके का, this is called as run dialog box. Fine, तो you have to type there %temp%. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होगा, टेम्प फोल्डर जहाँ पे आपकी टेम्प्रेरी फाइल्स स्टोर होती हैं वो ओपन हो जाएगा. देन यू कैन सेलेक्ट ऑल दीज फाइल यूजिंग द शॉर्टकट कंट्रोल A. ठीक है, वो सारी सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगी. देन यू कैन click the delete button and it will be deleting. Like you can see here, 330 files have been, temporary files have been deleted altogether, which were in the folder, this one, temp. Fine, now how you can remove the spam from email account? Now spam are generally the unwanted emails that we get from unknown resources. Fine. तो इनको कैसे remove करना है? Fine. Obviously they are of no use to us. They are basically for advertisement purposes. Fine. And to spread viruses also, we can say. Fine. So you have to go to the spam folder of your email account. Fine. Then you have to click more in the left pane. You will get the option. Fine. And then, or otherwise you can do like this, in spam, जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है, you will get the spam folder. Then you have to click on the delete forever button, this one, and you can delete these files. Okay. And you can add a filter to stop spam also. You have to click on the search box. Fine. Then you have to create the filter using the search criteria. And filter means that it is going to check out for the specified files. Fine. Then you can delete them. So that's all for today for this unit. In the next one, we will be continuing. We will be starting some other unit. So have a revision of all these points that we have discussed and try to find out the answers of these questions given at the end of the unit. Fine. So thank you everyone. Take care of yourself.